By now, you're probably wondering what is meant by an orbital jump or an orbital move. Well, as we move on, I will try to explain it to you.
There are 12 space invaders and 12 Earth
defenders.
What a space cadet piece is and what it does. This is the invader, and this side of the piece is known, this piece
Space Ace
space
Cadet.
Only this piece is known as the defender, which is defending the Earth from the outer perimeter of circles, which is the space invaders. Each space cadet may make certain moves. The first move is they may choose to move to the left on the black line or to the right on the black line, which is an ordinary checker move. In this case, he moves to the right. The defender has the same choice to the left or to the right. In this case, he chooses to move to the left. The invader now has a choice of 4 moves. He may move to the right or to the left in the checker move, or he may move in orbit. The board has 3 pronounced orbits. You must be on one of the 3 orbits to move in that particular orbit. And this player chooses to make an orbital moves. So he moves in orbit to the right. He could have chosen to move in orbit to the left, but like I say, he chose to move in orbit to the right. The Earth defender also chooses to move in orbit to the right. These are what you call orbital moves. Again, orbital moves, you could move anywhere one space over in either direction of the orbit. You also have the right to choose to make a checker move or combination orbital and checker jump. First, you must remember you must have been crowned a space age ace, which is equivalent to a king in a checkerboard. The only difference is that in revolution you may now jump in orbit when you're a king, when you're a space ace. Once you've jumped in the orbit, you can continue on jumping checker jumps as well, and then you may end up in another orbit where you may continue jumping in that orbit, and if there's another jump in that same orbit, you can continue on. You can go any combination of checker jumps or orbital jumps. Checker jumps or orbital jumps. Combination are many, and it's up to you in which direction you choose to jump. You may ask, what is an orbital jump? An orbital jump is when you have become a space ace and you wish to jump in orbit. You may jump as long as you're a space ace in the same orbit, jumping over whatever pieces are in that orbit. In this case, there was a full jump, move in one orbit.